Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be upgrading my 2013 Honda Accord with our SLF LED fog light bulbs. Installation is plug and play and only requires a couple basic hand tools. Let's get started. To get started with the installation of our LED fog light bulbs, we're going to be pulling out one Phillips head screw from the back of the bumper and then actually pulling the bumper back a little bit, giving us access to the factory fog lights. Now there's a secondary method on the 9th gen Accord which actually involves pulling the fog light brackets themselves out through the front of the bumper, but we're not going to do that today because we found this method to be a little simpler and a little quicker. So as you can see here, we've used a Phillips head screwdriver to pull the one Phillips head screw that allows us to peel the bumper back. So once this is out of the way, you can simply pull on the bumper and that will release it just enough for us to access that factory fog light. With our bumper pulled out of the way, we can simply reach in, grab that factory fog light, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it out from the housing. Then you'll simply depress the black tab on the back of the connector and you can pull your factory fog light bulb out. Then we'll take our H8 SLF LED replacement. As you can see, it's going to be a drop-in for this factory halogen bulb and plug it into the factory housing, and then the connector will simply plug into the factory wiring. So plug it into the housing, turn it clockwise to secure it. Then we'll take our harness and simply plug it into that factory connector. Now while we've got the bumper peeled back, it's a good idea to go ahead and test for function to make sure that your fog light lights up like it should. If it doesn't light up right away, not a big deal. Simply pull that connector, flip it 180 degrees and resecure it. Now once you're sure that your fog light is functioning properly, we can go ahead and lift and press into this bumper to get it back in place. Then we'll resecure that one Phillips head screw right here, and then we'll move to the other side, repeat all the same steps to finalize our fog light upgrade. Now on the 9th gen Accord, at least the 4-cylinder version, on the driver's side of the car, there's going to be an intake tube that runs down behind the fog light. So when you go to install it, you're actually going to pull the bumper back a bit further and go in from the top versus going in from the side like we did on the passenger side. This is just to let you get around that intake tube, pull the factory fog light, and install your LED upgrade. With our SLF LED fog light bulbs installed, you can see that my 9th gen Accord not only has a much more modern look than those factory halogens could ever provide, but a drastic increase in usable light output from those factory fog light housings. For more information on the SLF LED fog light bulb, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.